guys, happy Sunday and happy Mother's Day everyone, to all the mom up there. So ayan, napuyat kami kasi nag-chase kami ng Northern Lights. Nakabot kami sa Guelph pero we don't see anything. Yan, better luck next time.
Hindi ako sa barbecue.
Oh, ayan. Nagluluto si Louie ng barbecue. Chicken barbecue. Chicken barbecue. Ano to, Han? Pork or chicken? Pork. So, ayan ang aming, first time naming magluluto ng chicken barbecue. Yan. Before, lang kami, pork. But yan, magsisimula na rin kami mag-take ng order ng chicken. Yun, may isa dun, oh. Extra natin yan. Kaway-kaway!
Ate, hindi ako nag-iihaw.
So, ayan. Yan ang ating kasama sa order ng ating catering for today. Hi, guys! Hi, guys! So, ayan. Natikpan ko na. So, reaction ko. Since this is our first time to cook chicken barbecue, tikman natin. Competitive to the market. Yan. Kasi, of course, I can compare my cooking from others. Hindi papatalo ang barbecue ni Lovely Asian. Chicken barbecue to, guys. Kasi yung aming pork barbecue, subok na. Subok na siya. So, this is our chicken barbecue. So, ayan guys. Ito yung aking niluto. Beef caldereta. Look at that. Ayan. Beef caldereta for catering this morning. So, we only just gonna cater a beef caldereta and chicken barbecue. Ayan. At kami na may magdi-deliver. Ipiprepare ko lang. Ayan na guys. Ang ating i-deliver na food for today. So, naayos na natin. Ano ko na siya. Lalagyan ko na siya ng cover. So, hi guys. So, ayan. Magdi-deliver na kami ni Louie. So, Louie is driving. Di-deliver namin siya sa school or university yung order. So, ayan. We are on our way na. So, this is our first delivery for today because they ordered two para sa lunch nila today and mamaya supper naman. So, split ang ating order tsaka ang ating delivery. So, on our way, ayan yung ating road na dadaanan. So, as you can see, Canada is masyadong malawak siya. Tapos, more on country road. So, this is country road na sinasabi sa mga back road. They call it country road or back road. So, ayan. Kaya gusto ko magda-drive dito. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Nice weather today. Just that. I think I have $2. No, I don't have. Yeah. We have a bag. Thank you. Okay, bye. We're going home. We are done.